Here we have a brand new Johannes Seiler Model 175. This Johannes Seiler, brand new, with piano. What's that piano mean? That means there's a strip underneath the keys that gives you a digital output that you can plug into a sound module and use this beautiful 5'10" piano as a MIDI controller, as a digital controller. You can hook it up to your laptop, you can hook it up to your iPad, and do so much more than just a regular piano. Hi, Rick here now with this beautiful Johannes Seiler Model 175 piano. This 175 actually has a strip below the keys that will sense which keys are being played, and it's sent out via USB MIDI, so you can hook this up to other instruments. You can hook this up to your laptop, whatever you like to do to compose some music or have it play other sounds. Nice warm sound. The Johannes Seiler pianos do take a lot from their big brother Seiler. Bringing into this piano, the use of oboe hammers, a lot of the other design elements also coming down into the more affordable Johannes Seiler line from the top end $150,000 plus German-made Seilers. So great option for you in a medium to larger sized room with a lot of extra features built in at no extra charge. Thank you.